This is weekly analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty, where I give you the outlook of next week so that you can use these levels and trade accordingly. Hi, this is your host Yogesh Vats from channel Trade and Grow. This is my channel page. You are watching this page on your screen, and here I would like to share one information regarding the membership which I provide uh, to all the struggling traders, those who are not able to make consistent money. This information is for them. I provide the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis every day with the perfect support and resistance levels on this community tab. I post my complete analysis here with the trading ideas, how to trade every day these levels, and which direction you have to go and choose for your trading. If you want to get membership detail, this is the membership tab. You can get every detail of my membership which I provide to the traders. And this is join button. If you go in and click this join button, you would be able to get the membership which I provide in this tab. So this is all about the membership which I provide here. I provide the analysis of stocks also, so you can get all details from this membership tab. Now let us discuss about the last week's statement of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Whatever I said last week, I will play a clip to remind you my statement so that you can match it with the current move. I will show you the current move, and you can match that statement with that move. So after this, you will listen the clip of Nifty first. Get ready to hear it properly so that you can understand what I said last week and what happened in this week. And the ranges should be clear to you. Okay, now you can see two levels. This is one zone, zone number one, and this is halt. This is the range where price should move the whole week, what I feel. So what you have to use, how you have to use these levels. See, if the price comes to this zone and price takes support, then what will happen? You will see the price moving to upsides. Okay, if this zone gives this sort of support, and you know my marking gives you this sort of information very clearly. So if price is sustaining here, then it would move upside. If it does not sustain and it crosses like this, then it would move downsides. Similarly, for the upside, if it moves upside and takes support of this level, then this is called the taken out condition for the upside. Whenever the taken out condition is completed, then you have to go in that direction, whether it is upside or downside. Taken out condition applies both sides, like this and like this. So that action you have to see on the lower time frame, because this is a weekly analysis, but you have to see it on the lower time frame, either on the weekly chart or on the 1 hour chart. So you heard the statement, whatever the statement I made last week, that you heard it clearly. There I talked about this zone, whatever the zone I talked that is in front of you, I mark it for you. This was the zone. You can check the readings carefully. Talked about this zone, that it will provide support, and please check the accuracy of this zone. This is the weekly candle. Okay, and the price in Nifty came to this level and provided support. After this level, it went upside. The exact zone I made, and you saw the price gave you support. You have already heard that in statement I said it will provide you support and will move up. So same thing, it gave you the support and moved up. So this was the statement of last week, which I gave and the levels I gave, that is all in front of you. Decide yourself. Every week I gave these levels, these ranges, and these ranges works perfectly. Now let me take you to the bank nifty so that you can also hear whatever the statement I gave you last week. You can hear that statement and remember the points, the levels which I mentioned, and the conditions which I mentioned in bank nifty analysis also. Listen it carefully.
Now you can see the chart of weekly time frame. You are watching only two lines. One is this reading and second is this reading. These are the two lines. Price will move. Now, how to use this information so that you can get the clear vision of the complete week. That is, uh, if price comes to this level again and breaches it, then it does not mean that this halt is taken out and you will start going to short the market to downside. No, that does not mean. You will short the market only when it gives you this sort of action, taken out action. If it does not provide this sort of action, please do not short the market. Okay, what you have to see, price comes down and take resistance of this level, and then it comes down, then you have to short at this level, keeping the stop loss of this level, and this is your rewards. It would be 500 points of reward, 1000 points of reward, that I do not know. That I share in daily analysis. If you want to get that information, you will have to see my daily analysis on this channel's community tab. So this is the action which you need to go short. Until and unless you find this action, please do not short this market, because what can happen if the price comes to this point and it recovers in the same reason, then what would happen? It would consolidate here and would move upside. So this price action, you can see if the price breaks it and comes into this territory. On the
This is the graph of bank nifty and you can see the levels. These are the levels in the blue color lines are the previous levels, previous week levels, and you can see these two levels. And check, the price even did not touch this level. It came close to it and it made a very small dodgy candle. Okay, that was the level which I gave you last week, and price remained in this level near this low. Now since there is not activation of any condition which I mentioned, so I will not talk about that. I will talk about the next week analysis. Starting from bank nifty, what will happen the next week analysis? Just let me erase the lines so that there should not be any confusion regarding the next week. Here is the marking of next week. Okay, now you can see that all levels are clear to you. This is the upper range, and this is the reading of the upper range. This is a halt. I mentioned the both readings here. Okay, and this is lower range, that also mentioned here. Okay, every reading is complete. Now how to use this marking? What does this marking indicates you? In this chart you can see I made a halt, a zone in white color. How to use this zone? See, if the price comes to this level, okay, and it crosses it, it doesn't mean that you will start going to short market from this level whenever it crosses it. You will have to wait, you will have to see the taken out action. every halt in my marking or a zone needs a taken out action in that direction. So what you have to see, you have to wait for the taken out action like this, then you will have to short. If you do not find this sort of action, then please do not short, just wait, because 50% times the market crosses it and recovers. If this sort of action happens 50% time, it means you are going to lose 50% of your money from this move, because this is a trap move. Don't fall the trap of this move. So you will have to wait for this action. When you find this action, then you short it. So this is what I feel would provide a support, definitely a support, or price would take support of this level, and what will happen, it will consolidate here for some time, then it might cross this level and test it, then it come to this level. This is how to use the zone in this chart. And if I talk about the upper side is that limit. If price crosses this level, it doesn't mean that price is going to move upside until unless you find this action, a taken out action. When price crosses it, it should come down, it should test this level, and then it moves to upside. If you find that sort of action, then you take positions towards long side. Otherwise, you know what will happen, market will cross it, it will give you the glimpse of going to upside, and it would return to the same territory, and what will happen, like this, it will trap you here and you would be in loss. So avoid this sort of trapping around these levels, because these levels gives you the clear information. If the price is taken out, then there is no fear that price would move down, because these are the very perfect levels. Either they will break like this, or they will not break like this, they will come down like this. Okay, so use these levels in this sort of way. Otherwise, you will not be able to take right decision towards the direction. So this is about the upside and downside condition. But how will you see the taken out condition in both sides? The taken out condition should always be seen on the lower time frame, because the analysis which I am providing to you is the weekly analysis. That is why I'm using the weekly chart. But when it comes to the taken out condition, how to know whether the price has taken out or not, then you go to the 1 hour chart. If the 1 hour chart you find this sort of action, then short. Okay, similarly in the 1 hour chart, if you find this sort of action for the upside, then short, then long, keeping the stop loss of this level. This is how you should play. But sometimes what happens, when the price gives you the taken out condition, it moves to this level and come down. Okay, so after taken out condition, it would cover 500 points or 1000 points. That I do not know. I can give that perfect analysis every day in my community tab. You will have to see that analysis in the community tab of my channel Trade and Grow. Then you would be able to know how much the price would travel from the taken out condition. Okay, so it can give you 500 points of travel, it can give you 100,000 points of travel. That depends upon the momentum of the move. And right now I am not able to assess the momentum of the move. The momentum will only be assessed when the price is moving in that direction in the live market. Only then I would be able to gauge the momentum of that level. That is why I cannot give you that level. So you will have to see that action. It can end here, it can end here, or it can end here. Any time it can end. But once it crosses this taken out condition, then it will definitely move towards the upside. Okay, and for taken out condition, those who are watching it first time, they should know if price moves like this. Taken out condition is in the two parts. First part is crossing, second part is testing, and third part is to cross this high. Then this taken out condition would valid. If this high is not crossed, price moves to downside, then taken out condition is not completed. Taken out condition will only be complete when this high will be breached. Only then you can go for the upside position. Until unless this high is breached, you should not go to the upside position. If you are aggressive trader, you can take position at that point and book your profit at that high. That is one way of trading. And if you want to say play safe, then you wait for the price to cross this level, and then you start your position in the upside direction. That you have to analyze on the 1 hour chart in both direction, whether it is fulfilling the to the downside position or it towards the upside position. That you have to watch for the Nifty analysis next week. This zone is very important. What I feel, it will provide the support, so it can convert the movement of downside into the consolidation. That you have to watch it carefully on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, that consolidation you will find either on the 4 hour or the 1 hour time frame. You can see that consolidation. Now let us talk about the Nifty. Whatever levels I talked, let me erase these levels so that there should not be any confusion. And let me change the color of this so that you can understand this is for the next week. So here are 3 levels, that is zone, and these are the 2 halts. How to use these levels? Listen it carefully. If price breaks this level and gives you this sort of taken out action, then you have to short from this point. You will have to wait for the price action to show you this sort of action. Similarly, this is the zone, and you can go long only when this zone is taken out. Until and unless this zone is taken out to the upside, you will not take your position towards the long side, because the market is weak, and what I feel that it would go down to this level, and after crossing it would come to this level. But anyhow, because this is a game of the probability, so if it happens that price comes to this zone and crosses it, then don't take decision to go long. Just wait for this sort of action. If you find this sort of action, then you take position towards the long side after crossing this high. Until unless this high is crossed, please don't take position to the upside because market structure is weak. So you have to see these sort of action both sides. These are the levels. You put these levels on your chart, and whatever the analysis I gave, apply the same analysis on the taken out. For the taken out condition, you have to see the 1 hour time frame, then decide which direction you have to trade, and keeping the stop loss of that support. Whatever the support is providing the price, you have to see that support for the long side, and resistance is provided towards the downside. So this is the weekly outlook of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Trade carefully, trade cautiously. The levels works magically every day and every week. So use this level, use this information. This information will help you in your trading if you apply it properly as I explained. Thank you for watching this video. I will meet you next week. Till then, good day, goodbye.